How's it going, y'all? In this video, I want to talk about some AI tools that I have been using for the past couple of months now. And let's get started. So the first AI tool that I want to share is actually Aphonic. Having really good podcast audio is really, really important. And this is one of the first podcast audio editing tools that I started to use. So this is Aphonic right here. What we're going to do is go to new production, and you can upload a file. You can even like preload the intro, the outro. You can have like a bunch of little controls here. So if you have if you want to like steamroll everything and just have everything like go smoothly, you can add titles, the artist name, tags. One cool thing about Aphonic is that it has this AI feature that you can transcribe the podcast or the video or audio from whatever and put it in different languages. So it's really, really dope. Aphonic is great. Definitely check it out if you're a podcast producer or if you're making any videos that has any type of dialogue. Aphonic is great for that. All right, the next one we're going to talk about is Adobe's audio podcast. I know I already talked about Aphonic, but Adobe is free and you can upload up to an hour worth of audio and it'll clean it up for you, and it's pretty cool. Sometimes it does a better job than Aphonic, but Aphonic you can like go in and add a little bit more details and like granular controls and stuff, whereas the Adobe AI tool, it just does its job and it does it really well, but sometimes not really the best. But if you give it a really good clean audio, it'll do a good job. So I highly recommend checking out this AI tool. So the next tool we're going to be talking about is actually Midjourney. Midjourney is this really dope AI tool that you can just write text and it will take the text that you're talking about and create art out of it or create whatever you want out of it. So this is Midjourney right here, and I'm going to type something. So the prompts kind of go like this. You have to start it with /imagine a podcaster. Why is my thing is in caps? A podcaster on the moon in a cartoon style. The thing that I love about Midjourney is that there are a lot of other creators that are also creating while you're typing in your prompts. So you can kind of get a better idea of like what prompts to use, how to use them, what people are using, what people are creating, and you can kind of get like influence to create some amazing stuff just by being on there. So here we are. Look at that. It's a podcaster on the moon. It's pretty dope. If you wanted to just be done with that, you can. But if you wanted to upgrade it, you can hit. If you wanted to upgrade it, you can hit V4 or V3, depending on which one that you're trying to upgrade. So V1 is the one at the top left. V2 is the top right, and V3 is the bottom left, and V4 is the bottom right. So yeah, it's pretty dope. The thing about using Midjourney is that there are like so many different type of prompts, and you might have an idea and you can't seem to figure out how to get that idea out of your head and onto Midjourney. Like, it's great that you're able to even take your thoughts and put them into writing and have an AI tool generate art out of it. But sometimes it's not giving you exactly what you want. And that's why I like to use this AI tool. It's a prompt helper, I guess what you could call it. I think that's actually what it's called. It's like a prompt helper. And it helps you create the type of art that you want to create. So let's get right into it. All right, so here we are. So you have your prompt section here where you'll be typing in the thing that you want to create. So let's say I wanted to create a cartoon. Let's see. A man standing on the moon. So I have my idea, but I have a specific style that I want to sort of emulate a specific camera, a depth of field, like blurry background. And I could just go down here and pick camera, like the type of camera, DSLR, 360 camera, ultra, so let's just pick a DSLR professional camera. Hit continue, and we can pick a specific type of style. So you can pick a kind of want to be like photorealistic. So let's pick a Leonardo da Vinci. Hit continue. You can even pick the quality. You can pick colors. There's a lot of things that you can do to like enhance this. You can even do the aspect ratio, which is like the size, because normally I think it's like set to like a 16:9, but you can adjust it to make it vertical if you wanted to. You can add materials. You can say bronze or carbon fiber. Let's see, hit continue. And then this is our prompt right here. So all we would do is just click copy. It copied it to the clipboard, and we will go to Discord and paste that prompt and see what we get. So we're in Discord, and I just hit paste, and we should be able to get some type of cool image here. Some people are creating some really dope stuff. That's why I love coming on here. All right, man standing on the moon, 8-bit. Look at that. I think it's going to be pretty dope. It's not loaded up yet, but I already could tell that I wouldn't be able to come up with a photo like this on my own. Like, these are pretty dope. Like, I love that. That's what I wanted. I wanted that portrait style, aspect ratio, and being able to like type that in and choose that. It's really dope, especially if you're like making a Instagram reel cover or a YouTube short cover for something, and you can use the AI to do that. That's, to me, that's worth it. That's pretty dope. I don't know about you, but I love that. All right, the next one is pretty exciting. So this AI tool is called Mixo, and it is basically an AI website app platform that can help generate your website, your landing page, like get dedicated towards like your creativity. Like, you type in a prompt, is like ChatGPT, and you can create your own freaking website. So I'm going to use Mixo to create a website for a place to meet other content creators or podcasters. Let's keep it like that. A place to meet podcasters. A place to meet other podcasters and place to meet other podcasters. All right, let's see. All right, looks like it's working. Adding final touches. All right, Pod Connect. Connect with podcasters and grow your show with Pod Connect. Join a community of podcasters to collaborate, network, and share ideas. That's exactly what I wanted. I started my podcast journey alone, but with Pod Connect, I found a community of supportive and talented podcasters. I don't want fake people. Is this AI? No, that's a real stock image. Okay. They're using Audacity right there. Okay. Alrighty. This is this is interesting. This is pretty dope. Wow. All right. Yeah, I guess I might have to start on my other, content creator venture sooner than later with this Mixo website. That's pretty awesome. All right, be sure to click the links down below. I linked everything that I talked about in this video in the description. Be sure to check them out. And if you have any questions, let me know. I also have my newsletter down there in the description. So if I find some new cool AI tools and I don't have time to make a YouTube video, I always have time. I just don't do it. I will basically send a newsletter out. I'm not going to be super annoying about it. I might send like once a week or something, maybe like once a month. new AI tools once a month. And then, yeah, be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.